One of the reasons why Glasgow School of Art has stayed the same way, the way that it began, is because what's very important to us is that we believe that across GSA, across the school, we share a particular idea about how you will learn. And that idea is that we are largely talking about a studio-based education. Okay, so an education where you do your work is in a particular place, a kind of place that is a shape and form that helps you make that work. It's also a kind of place that helps you meet other people to talk about that work. It's a kind of place that shows you or gives you an opportunity to show your work to other people. Okay? So the vast majority of what we're talking about when we are talking about teaching, if you're a teacher, or about learning, if you're a student, is not about sitting in rooms and tables or lecture theatres. It's about being in a place, a room which we would call a studio, where you have the opportunity to make work. You see other people making work as well. So your work is exposed. People can be nosy and look at your work. You can show your work to others. And you also get comments back from everyone round about you, about your work. Okay? So that's what we mean by a studio-based education. So it's very important for us to establish what we call a studio culture. And that means a good working practice of being in studio. It doesn't matter whether it's the days where you get a tutorial or not. So studio becomes the base for you working, and it also becomes the main place where you make work and the main place where you meet staff and talk about work.